How to check your password in Roblox. So if you've forgotten your password, I'm going to show you how you can go and see your current password. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a mobile, but you can also do this on a computer or laptop as well. So the first thing we're going to do is just load up an internet browser, and then you'll need to go and sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select Manage your Google account. In the top navigation, scroll across to Security and click on this. You can then scroll down the page, and right at the bottom you'll have the option for Password Manager. Click on Manage Passwords. You can then click on the search box and go and search for Roblox. Now if you see Roblox in the list, then you can simply select it, and then you can click on the password field in order to reveal the password. Now if you can't find your saved password here and you're on an iPhone, then what you can do is head over to your home screen, go and use the search box to type in passwords and open up this app. You can then use the search box at the bottom of this page, go and search for Roblox, and once again you can check to see if your password's been saved. If you see Roblox in the list, just go and click on it, and then you can click on the password field in order to reveal your Roblox password.